Yes, what you are is always as it is, always complete. But somehow through mind you say, I must remember this, and sometimes I forget, I remember. It seems completely a normal speech, we speak like this. But here another question comes, like, apart from this, which you say you have seen, you have tasted this beauty, this space, this natural space within your own self, which I'm referring to as your own beingness. Apart from that, who says, I must remember this? Who is the one who needs to remember it? Just very innocent question. No cynicism. Who must remember? I must remember myself. Who says this thing? We can slow down about this question. Something is aware that there is, or there appears to be, some obstacle that is covering the knowledge. Please, I say again, it appears as though there is something called maybe your awakened state, who really you are, what it is, that is worth discovering, but something is obstructing this discovery. It is being spoken like this. Okay? And just on this assumption or this feeling, we are putting in tremendous energy and effort to try and remove this obstacle that is in the way of truth. This is, nobody argues with this. So much energy goes into different disciplines, different practices to remove this obstacle. Okay? But three things are really involved here. There is that which is worth discovering, then there's that which is covering it, and there's the one who is trying to get to it. Three things, no?
So I'm not making a statement that I need to remember, but a statement that there's something going on that's hiding that knowledge.
Yes. So I think I have the idea of what you're trying to find. At least you say, I'm trying to come home to who I am, to discover this thing which is all written about as awakening or enlightenment or whatever. And something is blocking this. So let's go to the thing that's blocking it. What is blocking it?
I guess thoughts, belief, something.
What kind of thought or belief is capable of hiding the truth?
I guess that's what I came up here to ask you.
You see? Must be a thought like, I have to do something. I must find out what is the secret. Or I must stop my mind or something like this. These kind of thoughts. Or as soon as I clear up some of my problems, I'll have more time to focus on this, or whatever. Some kind of thought believed in appears to be blocking that discovery. You can identify more than I've said?
Well, it's like your example of the Halloween party.
Yeah.
You ask me if I'm Batman, and I know I'm not Batman, but
Yeah.
it's like that Joker over there is looking a bit suspicious.
So you know that really there's no obstacle. It only appears to be, from the example you gave. There appears to be an obstacle blocking the realization of the truth that I am. But something knows that's not really quite true. Now, there's something that knows is really not true. Is what?
Myself, I suppose.
Yes. Okay. So let's look at it. My own self is trying to discover my real self. And I thought that I know is not true seems to be blocking it.